Okay, guys, let's go across this bridge. Follow me. Wait until I'm done. Now, you guys do exactly what I just did.
Just as she said. Slow and careful!
Okay, guys, you did it wrong. Okay, Courtney, you jumped, and that could have been dangerous. And Corbin, you ran. You know you could fall right through. See, you have to walk. Simply. See, you just have to keep going. There's no hole.
Yeah, there is. I saw a board fall down.
No, that was when I dropped the board yesterday.
Oh.
Let's go see how he's doing.
Okay.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. Where am I? Come on, Parker. 1 second, I gotta go get my watch. See, you just have to keep going.